Hey, welcome back to part 3. Right before I got ready to fire this gun, my Karen called me. So, yeah. So, yeah, like I said, safety's off. It's already been pre-cocked. Lined up. Which I think is going to shoot a little high. Somewhere in that area of the face. Kind of along the eyes and the bridge of the nose. From where I'm guessing it's from. So, safety off. Firing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nothing. Okay, we just cocked it. I heard a confirm sound. Maybe that was a misfire. Maybe that was a little far on my problem there. Let's try it again. Holy effing Jeebus. That thing bounced back and I had it aimed down here. And yet, I could see where it fired. It fired right there. I don't know how good I could get this to zoom in. But, let me put the gun down. But come on. I had it zoom in perfectly before. But yeah, right there is where it made a dent. And it actually made a pretty good dent. Like, I mean, I need some wood putty to put it together again. So, I mean, that thing is dentful. And I did feel it fly by my eyebrow from the recoil. So, this is a gun that I would say, if you're not dead on, and you're fighting in close quarters, do be warned, you could actually take yourself out of the game. That is if you are actually one of those 100% legitimate, honest players that if you got hit, even if it's by your own BB from, the recoil from bouncing off a wall, and you're like, man, I got hit. Did the enemy hit you? No, it was my own BB. A hit's a hit. So let's try that again. Now this is one that you definitely want to, after you cocked it back, you want to definitely cock it forward and hear that cock. To know that it's loaded, point it, pull the trigger. So now I'm going to try adjusting the style a little bit. Just to kind of get it a little bit better. The aim is still pretty close to the camera, so. Ow! Man. I feel with this gun, I definitely need to go and grab my vest. Because. Did you see that? That BB flew out of the gun, hit that target, bounced off the target, split in two. One part went over there, and the other part came right by my belly button. I swear, about my waist, belly button height. This gun, I would say, definitely passed the punch for a spring-loaded gun. So now we're going to adjust the hopper to hoppy. Because that was at, normal. Now we're going to go to the hops. Hops actually seems to make it fly a little bit straighter. And that one gun came right back and hit me. To be honest, I don't feel safe firing this gun without a vest and a pair of safety goggles. At this close range to that target. That's kind of scary, but also, on the other hand, kind of good because you definitely know if your enemy is this close and that's your enemy, you're going to take your enemy out. Although, it's like a double-edged sword, you might also be taking yourself out at the same time. There you go. Now I cocked it completely. That's why I say on this gun, I'm used to just being semi-cocked. This one you actually got to make sure you cock it back, which I do, but when cocking it forward, you got to make sure you actually fully cock it forward to make sure it's loaded. Now that has a little bit more power to it, and it flies a little bit more straighter when the hopper is set to hop. So just to let you know, when the hopper is set to hop, it's going to go a lot better. Now the Mossberg M590 series gun. taking the safety off. And you see how its cotton mechanism is. Well, as soon as you pull it back and let go, see it automatically wants to go forward. Okay, don't know what that got jammed up on me. Okay, I'm out of BBs on that one. Or a couple just didn't want to load. Don't know why. So let me quickly reload the magazine. This one's a quick load magazine. Yeah, give it a couple shakes. Top fill. But this one's really quick follow-up shots. Like that. The other one's a little bit slower, but it has a little bit more power to it. Which I noticed. This one, small, close range combat situations that you want to get in low. You don't really want to adjust it because there's no way to adjust the start. So, low, probably want to like hold it by your hip and rapid fire. Just cock it, pull the trigger, cock it, pull the trigger for the pump, and you know, it's ready to go. This one is going to be more powerful if you set the hops and more for that range. Now, I even saw some YouTube channels call this the shotgun sniper, where they actually took like ACOD, you know, maybe a 2 or 3 times zoom ACOD type of hunting scope. More than likely, it's one of those little cheapy crossman ones. They attached it to the 15 wear, and they were like sniping fools at distances. So this is definitely going to be your sniper shotgun, as they called it, while the Mossberg M590 is going to be more your really tight quarters. You really can't aim. You really don't have a start to work with. You're just going to have to hip fire and rapid fire mode. This one's more cocked it, take your time, aim. Ah, that sniper's got, you know, an SVD Dragunov. It's a nice Russian gun. But buddy, ain't good enough compared to the Game Face Crossman VOODOO Tactical Shotgun. Boom! Headshot. Oh hey, you got a Remington 870? Oh, I got this. And this one, I feel that you could fire from the hip, but you really wouldn't, because there's a little too much power with the spring. So, just to let you know, this one is going to definitely be your over-the-shoulder shotgun sniper. You really don't need a flashlight on this. Maybe a laser sight and a scope on it. That's about it. The other one, you really don't want to aim. I wish that they had 15 wheels when they're on the sides here instead of the top. But this one's kind of like blind fire. If you go into a dark room, you're in a dark room, you have to have a flashlight on yourself. Either a headlamp or some kind of other flashlight, a glow stick. So that's going to be the difference. But yeah, I definitely feel that this gun is a pretty good and powerful gun. Would I recommend you picking up this gun? Yeah, definitely. Like I said, it is a Crossman gun. So definitely, you know, for a Crossman gun, yeah, you're definitely going to want to get this. And there goes the BBs, because I don't like that loader. That loader is just not the greatest loader in the world. So let's bring everything back here in camera. Or at least as much as we can. So, yeah, that's everything that you go say. The bots, the gun, the user manual, other manual, radio BBs, your unjamming / loading ramming rod, your swing, and your speed loader, which I feel that needs to be a little bit better designed on the speed loader so that the BBs doesn't fall out. But yeah, for the price that this gun originally goes for, like I say, around the $35 price range, is good. which one would I recommend between the Mossberg M590 combo pad that comes with a very garbage pistol, or this Crossman Game Face TACTiCAL VOODOO shotgun? It depends. If you want to use it more for a little bit more powerful at range for sniping, this one. If you want something that's a little bit more close up, a little bit more rapid fire, hip fire action without the aiming, then the Mossberg M590. But for this one, definitely a great one. And if you see it for a very good price, like it came out like $25 or something like that, definitely pick it up. This is one that you definitely want to pick up. Okay, thanks. Remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment down below in the description. Alright, thanks. Bye.